Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your Green Dot card step by step clearly. First, find your Green Dot card package and make sure the card is in your name if it is personalized. Next, locate the card number on the front of the card and keep it ready. Then, flip the card over and find the CVV security code and the customer service phone number. After that, have a valid ID nearby because some activations may ask for identity verification. Now, make sure you have a stable internet connection or a phone signal to complete activation. If you want to activate online, open a browser on your phone or computer. Go to the official Green Dot website shown on your card packaging or the back of your card. On the website, look for the option that says Activate Card or Register Card. Click that option and enter the card number exactly as it appears on the card. Enter the expiration date and the CVV security code when the page asks for it. Create a secure username and password if you are setting up a new account. Type your email address and phone number so Green Dot can send important alerts. Enter your home address and make sure it matches your official records. Review the terms and conditions on the screen and continue to the next step. If asked, verify your identity by entering your social security number or other requested details. Follow any on-screen verification prompts until you see a confirmation message. If you prefer activation by phone, call the customer service number printed on the back of your card. Choose the language option and then select the menu option for card activation. When prompted, enter your card number using the phone keypad. Enter the expiration date and security code if the automated system requests them. Provide your zip code and other personal details when asked to confirm your identity. Listen carefully for the activation confirmation and write down any reference number. Once activated, sign the back of your card immediately for security. Download the Green Dot app if you want to manage your card more easily. Log into the app or website and check that your card status shows as active. Set up a PIN if the system asks you to create one for ATM withdrawals and debit purchases. Add money to your card using direct deposit, bank transfer, or approved cash reload locations. Do a small balance check or a small purchase to confirm everything is working correctly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.